Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to set button layout setting in vivo Y15s phone. As you can see guys, in my phone guys, there is no any button in my phone. So how can I set my button layout in vivo Y15s phone? So let's see how to on, and guys you can see how to set button layout. So first of all, open your phone setting. Then guys you will have to click on the system setting. So guys click here and guys click on first guys system navigation. Then guys click on this first one guys 3 button wala navigation. Click here. Then guys you can see we have button, so we can back from here. We can use this button setting. So I hope friends you have understood how to set button layout in vivo Y15s phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.